You just got arrested. Maybe it's OUI, assault and battery, theft, or something more serious. And the first big question you're going to face is, do I go with a public defender or hire my own private attorney? Both options have their pros and cons, but the one thing they have in common is if you open your mouth before having one of them by your side, you're screwed. I'm Mike Contant, a criminal defense attorney here in Boston, and the first thing I tell people when they're arrested is they need to shut because no matter who represents you, the fastest way to tank your case is by talking before your lawyer's in the room. But what is a public defender? In Massachusetts, if you can't afford a lawyer, the court may appoint a public defender. These attorneys are experienced. They know the judges, they know the prosecutors, and they're in this court every single day. But here's the problem. They're underpaid and juggle a big caseload. Public defenders have dozens, sometimes over 100 cases at a time. Many of them are good lawyers, but time, it's not on their side. You may not get the one-on-one attention you like, and the updates, they're tough to come by. So on the other hand, what do you get with a private paid attorney? When you hire a private attorney, you're not only paying for their time and focus, you're paying for someone to take your stress away and guide you through this difficult time. A private attorney will return your call and give you the level of customer service that you will rarely get from a public defender. They can control their caseload, which means they can dig deeper into your case, review police reports, body cam footage, talk to witnesses, file motions, and strategize and build a defense specifically for you. When we work with someone, you get our whole team. We pick up the phone, keep you updated so you're never left in the dark. So let's compare the pros and cons of each. So here are the pros of the public defender. They're free or low cost if you qualify. They're very experienced in the Massachusetts courts, and they're skilled trial lawyers. But some of the things you may want to be on the lookout for are, they have massive caseloads, which means less time for any individual case, including yours. The communication will be limited. Biggest complaint I hear from people who have a public defender is their attorney isn't calling them back. Now let's compare the pros and cons of hiring a private attorney. Private attorney is going to have more time, resources, and focus per client, direct access in strategy sessions, and the ability to hire experts, challenge evidence, and push back harder. Now, some of the things you may want to consider before hiring a private attorney are, private attorneys are expensive and you're going to have to pay out of pocket for them. And not all private attorneys specialize in criminal defense. Make sure you choose carefully. So what is the right answer for you? If your case could put you in jail, cost you your job, cause you to lose your license, affect your immigration status, or haunt your record forever, you owe it to yourself to at least talk with a private attorney. Even if you end up with a public defender, that consultation with a private attorney gives you a better perspective and puts you in a stronger position. But no matter what you do, whether you go with a public defender or a private attorney, the smartest thing you should do in every case is shut until an attorney is standing next to you. So if you're facing charges anywhere in Massachusetts, visit my site, contact our team, and schedule your free case analysis today.